Hey guys, welcome to Login Helps. Today I'll be showing you how to sign up for a Tome AI account online on a computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to sign up an account on the Tome AI or the Tome Storytelling AI online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in the address tome.app and turn enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of Tome app like this, or the Tome AI over here. And in order to sign up for a Tome AI account, you can see at the top right corner of the screen, just beside the signing, there is the Try Tome and the Try Tome button at the middle of the screen. You can click on either of these buttons to proceed to the registration process of the Tome AI. So let's wait. And guys, you can see we are on the registration page of the Tome AI, where you can directly continue or to sign up and log into your Tome AI with your Google account. You can see there over here there is the continue with Google. If you click on that button, a login page to your Tome app will, or the Tome Stereo or the Tome Storytelling or the Tome Storytelling AI will open. And if you log into your Google account from that panel or the page where you clicked from over here, then you'll be signed into your Tome app or the Tome Storytelling AI with your Google account without needing to sign up for it. And with that being said, guys, in order to in order to manually register an account on the Tome AI, let's enter our email address like this, guys, which you will be using later on to log into or use this email address for any procedures relating to your Tome app. And with that being said, guys, after entering your email address, enter your password. And you can see, guys, it says at least 8 characters password must contain, but for us, make sure to use some capital letters, some numbers, some small letters, and some extra special characters, just to make your password strong and uncrackable. And with that being said, guys, after entering your email address and your password, simply click on continue, and the verification link will be sent to you on your email address. Open your email address which you had entered over here and click on that verification link. And after you click on continue over here, that will happen. And after you have verified yourself, uh, you will have signed up for a Tome app. You will have signed up for a Tome AI account online on your computer. And there, guys, this is how you sign up for a Tome AI account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.